brakes on this bike are massive. Wow, they stop you. Whoa. Wide. This here is the ENGWE L20 3.0, and it's got a lot of great features built right into it. The first thing is the full suspension. Yes, you've got front and rear suspension, which is awesome. You've also got super powerful motor at 1500 watts of peak power, and it's got fast charging, 8 amp fast charging in a small form factor at that, with the charging brick not being this gigantic power plant. Additionally, you've got torque sensing pedal assist, which is a lot smoother and less jolty in riding experience. And then finally, you've actually got built-in GPS and app tracking, which is something that I've not experienced yet, and it's totally optional. You don't have to hook your bike up to GPS, but it is kind of cool that in the app you can track exactly where your bike is. If you're like in a cafe and you're afraid of it getting stolen, it does have an alarm that goes off if somebody tries to move it, but you can also GPS track your bike to make sure it's still where you left it. As far as speed, tops out at 20 miles an hour because this is a class 2 e-bike, so you can legally ride it. That's kind of important to have a bike you can legally ride, especially recently where a lot of people, we should say kids, are kind of just ignoring the e-bike rules and laws, and now even parents, unfortunately, are having to take some of the accountability for their kids who are breaking laws, which kind of makes sense. But I'm definitely a huge advocate, not only for safety with wearing helmets, but also abiding by the e-bike laws. So I really like the fact that the handlebar is adjustable height-wise, and the seat post is also adjustable height-wise, and it has a really nice, big, comfortable seat, which will be very pleasing to a wide demographic. Stylish e-bike for sure. Got the charging port right there. The key right there to unlock the battery that comes from the top. Also got the nice headlight there on the front. Optional mounting place for front baskets, pet carrier, such things. Nice front suspension. There's the folding mechanism to fold it in half, and the GPS mechanism for GPS tracking. Rear suspension right there, which is really nice. Good components. You got the Shimano Altus 8-speed shifting and that 750 watt hub motor right there. The handles are super comfortable with these textured wrist pads. All of your electronic controls. You've got all of your electronic controls right here, from your pedal assist level from 0 to 5. And I did put the bell on because, quite frankly, that is much more effective. The screen is also full color and very bright. This is in direct Tucson hot sun, and it is still perfectly readable. You can see your speed, and you can cycle through the odometer, the power output, time, max speed, average speed. A lot of information there you can access. And of course, you got the shifter over here on this side. They've made some nice little improvements on the 3.0.
The first thing you notice when you get on the e-bike is the ride quality. And what really catches my attention is that ENGWE is really focusing on solving some of the most common complaints with e-bikes today. ENGWE calls this a full suspension comfort utility e-bike. That's not just marketing language. You have suspension up front and suspension in that rear, which makes a noticeable difference when you're riding over rough pavement, expansion joints, gravel paths, or just uneven dirt or road. Even something as simple as dropping off of a curb or going over a speed bump feels under control. Instead of getting that harsh jolt that travels through the frame and into your body, the suspension helps absorb a lot of that impact. If you're someone who rides regularly around town or spends a lot of time in the saddle, that added comfort can make a huge difference over the course of a ride. The second thing that stands out is the power. The L20 3.0 features that motor that is capable of delivering 1500 watts of peak power along with 90 newton meters of torque, definitely on the higher end. In the real world, that translates into strong acceleration from a stop and plenty of confidence when tackling hills. I always think hill climbs are where an e-bike really proves itself. It's easy to feel powerful on flat ground, but when you start climbing steep grades, that's when you find
Additionally,
out what
you've
the
got
motor
torque
is really
sensing
capable of.
pedal.
With 90 newton meters of torque on tap, the L20 3.0 handles climbs surprisingly well, and you probably won't find yourself struggling with them like you might with your current e-bike. Another feature that becomes increasingly important is security, and that's where the smart features come into play. The L20 3.0 includes ENGWE's LOT smart anti-theft system. Through the app, you can see real-time GPS tracking, motion alerts, and remote control functionality. If you've ever worried about leaving an expensive e-bike outside a restaurant, coffee shop, or while running errands, having the ability to monitor the e-bike's location directly from your phone adds a nice layer of peace of mind. Moving on to the battery performance, ENGWE pairs a 720 watt-hour battery with one of the fastest charging systems I've ever seen in this category. The bike supports 8 amp fast charging, allowing it to recharge in roughly 2.5 hours, which is crazy. That's significantly faster than most e-bikes, which require 5, 6, or even 8 hours to fully charge. For people who actually use their bike regularly, that shorter charging time can be a bigger advantage than most people realize. And despite the fast charging capability, you're still getting impressive range. ENGWE rates the bike for up to 60 to 65 miles depending on ride conditions, rider weight, terrain, and the assist level that you're riding in. For commuting, recreational riding, or running errands around town, that's enough range for most people to ride multiple days before even thinking about having to plug it back in. The final feature I want to talk about is versatility. The L20 3.0 uses a folding frame design, which makes it easier to transport and store compared to a traditional full-size e-bike. Whether you're loading it into an SUV, taking it on an RV trip, bringing it to a campsite, or simply trying to save space in your garage, the folding design adds a lot of flexibility. ENGWE actually describes it as being ideal for 4+2 travel, and I can definitely see the appeal. You get the comfort and capability of a large utility e-bike, but with the convenience of being able to fold it down when needed. So after spending time with the ENGWE L20 3.0, the biggest takeaway for me is balance. It combines a genuinely comfortable full suspension ride, strong hill climbing performance, smart anti-theft features, long range, fast charging, and a practical folding design into one package. If comfort is at the top of your priority list, but you don't want to sacrifice performance or convenience, the L20 3.0 makes a pretty compelling case for itself. And if you're interested in checking out the ENGWE L20 3.0 for yourself, ENGWE is currently running a limited time promotion where the bike is available for $13.99, which is $600 off the regular price. There are also additional savings available, including a free front basket for a total value of up to $669 in savings. Check out the links in the description below for the latest pricing and availability before this promotion ends. And if you've missed that promotion, don't worry, I got you. Just comment below and I'll send you the information.